Welcome to Georgia 811's online ticketing system. In this video, I am going to demonstrate the map tools that are available. Your worksite and locate instructions will determine how you will use the map. If the mapping system recognizes your worksite address or your worksite street, the best tool to use is the Use Ticket tool. This tool uses the information entered in the address field to find the location on the map. This is the address field, and we have 3400 Summit Ridge Parkway listed. We're going to click the Use Ticket tool. The searches will appear on the right. You are able to choose which option best suits your needs. There are several listed here. You have similar streets, Bing results, and Bing intersections. If you click on similar streets, it'll bring up a list of streets. If you click on Bing results, it'll bring up the exact address. If you click on Bing intersection, it will bring up the intersection that we have listed, Summit Ridge Parkway and Peachtree Industrial Boulevard. For this example, I will choose Bing results. And the worksite address appears in the drop-down. We're going to left click there, and the X will appear on the map showing the worksite area. You're not done with the map until the worksite is highlighted in orange. To finish the map, you will click the Use Selection Map tool. Once this is done, an orange area will appear on the map. When you see the orange area marked, you know the map is saved. Keep in mind this orange area is approximately a 200-foot buffer from the center of the marked area. If you need a bigger area covered on the map, you will need to draw the map manually. The area marked in orange on the map determines the utility members that will be notified. I'm going to clear the map and demonstrate some of the drawing tools. You can use the Mark Radius tool to increase the surface area on the map. A good time to use this tool would be for an intersection. We're going to left click on this Mark Radius tool, then take your mouse pointer and left click over the worksite area. A pop-up box appears for you to choose feet, meters, or miles. Do not go over 5,280 feet, 1,609 meters, or 1 mile. This will help keep the marked area within view on the map. I'm going to use a 400-foot buffer. Then click OK. Once again, your worksite will be highlighted in orange. To increase or decrease the map, use the zoom bar, and you can zoom in or out. And that's here on the bottom left side. I'm going to clear the map, and we're going to use the Mark Point tool. This is a good tool to use if you have a specific area to mark on the map or if you have an intersection. Left click on the tool and hover your mouse over the worksite and left click. Your worksite will be highlighted in orange. And again, this is a 200-foot buffer. I'm going to clear the map. And we're going to use the Mark Line tool. This tool will allow you to draw a linear worksite. This is a good choice when you have a linear area or a right-of-way. You can draw the area by clicking onto the Mark Line tool. Then point your mouse over the worksite and click along the area you would like to draw. Notice the tool will measure the area you are drawing. Double click and the worksite will be highlighted in orange. The Mark Area tool will allow you to draw a worksite. You can outline the area by clicking onto the Mark Area tool, then point your mouse over the worksite and click along the area you would like to outline. An example of when to use this tool would be mainly for a specific property or a specific area on the map. Notice this tool will measure the area you are drawing. You'll want to double click when you have the worksite highlighted in orange. Once the highlighted area in orange turns darker, you know your map is saved. I have cleared the map. I'm going to show you what the Zoom to tab will do. It's on the top left side of your toolbar. Click the down arrow. If you click on full extent, it will fully extend the map. Selected will take you back to the worksite area. And coordinates will show if you click on this. And if you want to use coordinates, you can. You just want to put it in the correct format. Once you have entered the coordinates, click OK and you will see an X at the worksite. Click Use Selection on the toolbar and your worksite will be marked in orange. The Measure tool allows you to measure the worksite. The Mark Radius, Mark Point, Mark Line, and Mark Area will also show measurements as you mark the map. I'm going to clear the map in the Pan tool. Left click there and come down with your mouse pointer and left click and hold that click and you can grab the map and move it around. The Sketch tool is not operational at this time. There's a map to scale on the bottom left side. The Layers drop down will allow you to change the map view. There are 3 choices. Go to the drop down. This is the current map view. This is the Bing map view. And this is the aerial view. I'm going to demonstrate the possibilities for this option. It's the search for a street name. If you have a worksite street or an address that does not appear in the search results, you can use an intersecting street or a cross street. For this, we're going to enter Pleasant Hill Road. Once you've entered your road, you want to click on the binoculars just to the left. There are several options to choose from. You can choose Similar Streets, Bing Results, and that will bring up the exact street. And it's listed again here. We'll use Bing Results. And this brings up Pleasant Hill Road. We'll bring that in closer so we can see the road name. So an overview of the map. You can use the Zoom to feature to have full extent, get your selected area, or use coordinates. You can clear the map. You can click on Pan, grab the map and move it around. You can mark a radius, you can mark a point, you can mark a line, or you can mark an area. Remember, if the system recognizes the address for the worksite, you can use Ticket and use Selection to mark your site. You can measure the map. The Sketch feature does not work at this time. And you can use a search here. This completes the overview of the map. The web portal is available 24 hours, 7 days a week. If you have any questions, give us a call at 770-476-6050. You can email us at webhelpdesk@georgia811.com, or you can chat with us. Thank you for using the Georgia 811 online ticketing system.